एक कहानी थी इच्छा पूर्ति की, अपनी पत्नी की अस्थियों को आयामों की सबसे ऊंची चोटी पर जाकर प्रवाहित करने की। रास्ते खतरनाक थे, दुश्मन खौफनाक थे, लेकिन हमने नामुमकिन को मुमकिन कर दिखाया और अपने कर्तव्य को निभाया। वो एक गुजरा जमाना था जहां हमें वचनों को निभाना था, लेकिन ये वक्त नया नया जमाना है जहां रणभूमि में योद्धाओं को टकराना है। अब खत्म हो जाएगी ये सृष्टि या लिखी जाएगी कोई नई महागाथा, ये जानेंगे हम गॉड ऑफ वॉर रैग्नारॉक में। नमस्कार देवियों और सज्जनों, एंड माय डियर मेरे प्यारे किंग्समैन, स्वागत है आपका गॉड ऑफ वॉर रैग्नारॉक के पहले एपिसोड में। आइए आरंभ करते हैं।
Hungry? What's next?
Home. Storm is getting worse.
I'll get them ready. Need help?
एट्रियस कुछ छुपा रहा है।
Ready?
I hope Fenrir got some sleep. Maybe he'll be ready to eat when we get home.
He is quite sick, Atreus.
I know, but he was a little better yesterday. Until he wasn't. If he keeps eating, I'm not giving up on him.
घर पे कोई है जिसके बारे में एट्रियस बात कर रहा है। वो कौन है क्या है वो घर जाने के बाद ही समझ में आएगा।
Hear that?
Yes.
Is it hurt?
It is her.
फ्रेया,
The state is not far. Get ready.
She wouldn't give up that easy, would she?
हमने उसके बेटे को मारा है, वो इतनी आसानी से पीछा नहीं छोड़ने वाली है।
There she is! Father! Let go of her! Got you! You gotta get away from her!
I'm trying!
Up there! What tree? Look out! The trees! They're coming down! That was too close. She's coming around again!
I do not wish to fight you!
I'm losing my grip here! Father!
I have you! Hold tight! Protection stave is near!
वो उसे पार नहीं कर पाएगी।
Oh no! Freya, we're not your enemy!
Freya, wait!
Please don't make me do this! We're through for Stave. We made it.
Let us go home.
It's Becky. It's Vana. Up. I'm sorry I couldn't take the shot.
I did not wish you to.
I keep hoping she'll let it go. You saved her life.
I killed her son. There is no letting that go.
Yeah. I guess killing Baldur really did bring on Fimbulwinter. Never stopped snowing after that day. Think it's ever gonna get better?
Someday. But the worst is still ahead of us. We must be strong.
अभी तो हमारे सामने बहुत बड़ी चुनौतियां आएंगी। हमें तैयार रहना होगा। हमने अपने इस जगह को चारों तरफ से मंत्र से बांधा हुआ है, जिसे हम प्रोटेक्शन स्टेव कह रहे हैं, और उसी को पार करने के लिए हम बहुत तेजी से आगे बढ़ते, जिसे फ्रेया पार नहीं कर सकती।
I got it.
लेकिन बाल्डुर के मरने के बाद वो कई बार हमला कर चुकी है।
I will get the deer.
Go on, girls.
ये मंद मुस्कान इस बात के लिए था कि एट्रियस अब खुद को संभाल रहा है, हमारे बिना भी। चलिए आगे बढ़ते हैं। देखिए, कहानी बहुत लंबी होगी, हम आराम से कंप्लीट करें, कोई जल्दीबाजी नहीं है। और एक बात है कि
He always says hello.
Atreus.
Fenrir. You okay, boy?
ये बात कहनी है आपसे कि जो भी इसके एपिसोड्स आएंगे वो कम से कम 1 घंटे के होंगे, मिनिमम 1 आवर के। ठीक है, 5 मिनट ऊपर नीचे हो सकता है, तो आराम से बढ़िया से एंजॉय करना बिना किसी दिक्कत के। मैं अपनी तरफ से कोई कसर नहीं छोड़ूंगा, बस आप अपनी मोहब्बत में कोई कमी मत रखना। रास्ते में इस भेड़िए के बारे में बात हो रही थी,
It's okay.
जब हमने बोला कि ये बहुत बीमार है,
You're okay.
लेकिन एड्रेस ने
I know. I missed you too. Where's your food? Still hungry? Come on, boy. You need to eat. Eat. What? Too big? boy.
Atreus, the time draws near. You must prepare yourself.
For what? He's still eating. He wants to live.
He is dying.
अगर हम पिछली कहानी की बात करें तो हमने जाना है कि एट्रेस इनकी भावनाओं को महसूस कर सकता है, इनके थॉट्स को
You're a good boy.
पढ़ सकता है और
A brave boy. Fast and strong. But you can rest now,
ओ बॉय,
okay? I'll be okay. You can let go now. You have to let go. Sofna. Afra. Tesu. Sofna. Ethon. Sofna. Sofna. Sofna.
ये क्या है?
Come. We train.
What? No. It's the middle of the night.
Night does not stop our enemies.
ये रात हमारे दुश्मनों को नहीं रोक पाएगी और दुश्मन दिन और रात देखकर नहीं आते।
What for? Training is all we ever do, ever. It's not enough. We can't hide forever.
We do not hide. We prepare for a fight for which we are not ready. We'll go.
Time is running out. The prophecies say Fimbulwinter leads to Ragnarok. War is coming. Whatever Loki's supposed to be doing, he's supposed to be doing it now. My story doesn't end hiding in these woods. I should be out there, finding out who I am, who Loki is.
I will not allow you to pick a fight with gods.
I don't want to fight anyone. I just want answers.
And if those answers lead to war with Asgard,
Maybe that's what Mother wanted.
we do not know what Mother wanted.
Looks like we never will. Look. Can I have a moment alone with Fenrir before I bury him?
एट्रियस दुखी है उस भेड़िए के जाने से और उसके बाद हम उसको बोल रहे हैं चलो ट्रेनिंग करते हैं। वो ये पूरी कहानी आई थिंक इस चीज के आगे पीछे रिवॉल्व करने वाली है कि एट्रियस यानी लोकी, उसका अस्तित्व क्या है, कौन है वो। जो भी ये प्रोफेसी है, जो भी ये भविष्यवाणी है, उसमें ये एट्रियस या लोकी क्या रोल क्या अदा करने वाला है, उन सब के बारे में कोई जवाब उसके पास नहीं है। Oh, hello, Mimir.
Well, I recognize that dour expression anywhere. Care to tell me what went wrong?
The wolf is gone.
Oh, no. Not Fenrir. How's the lad taking it?
Not well. He goes to bury him.
Oh, damn it. All right, brother. Good night then.
एक्चुअली एड्रेस को भले ये पता ना हो, लेकिन हम जानते हैं कि जो आने वाले खतरे हैं वो बहुत बहुत भयंकर होने वाले हैं, और शायद कहीं ना कहीं हम उसके लिए तैयार नहीं हैं। लेकिन अभी जो ये पल है या फिर जो महसूस कर रहा है, उस वक्त उसको ट्रेनिंग के लिए हम नहीं बोल सकते थे।
Kratos? Are you joining me?
ये सच नहीं हो सकता। ये
Faye,
Are you ready? You walk as though Emir himself sits atop your shoulders.
this is your hunt. I will follow.
Very well, Grumbles.
ये शायद हम सपने में हैं और पुरानी बातों को याद कर रहे हैं जब
Kill. At least it didn't suffer. Am I to decipher your grunting? Tell me your thoughts.
We hunt the predator.
A wolf. Yes.
Predators kill. It is the natural order of things.
Your words are misguided. Shh. Approach slowly. It's okay, little one. We want to help,
easy.
don't we? No, don't! Come on. The sick wolf we found beyond our stave. He found his way inside. As I said he would. We should have acted.
It was not our concern. Now it is.
The problem doesn't have to reach our doorstep for it to be our responsibility. If we have the power to limit the harm it could cause, we should act. Who are we to hide and do nothing?
We are not hiding.
हमें पिछली कहानी के आखिरी पलों पे मालूम चला कि फे भी एक जायंट थी और बहुत कुछ ही जानना बाकी है यार। आराम से, इसलिए मैंने बोला ना कि बहुत लंबी कहानी होगी, मैं बहुत आराम से कंप्लीट करूंगा। बहुत प्यार मोहब्बत से वॉच करना, धैर्य बना के।
Gonna make me pick that one up? Good boy.
Oh, shit. Boy. अभी इतने देर में एक बात समझ में आ गई है कि यहाँ पे एक्शंस नो डाउट धमाकेदार होंगे, लेकिन ये पूरी कहानी एक इमोशनल रोलर कोस्टर की तरह होने वाली है, जिसमें
Faye,
बहुत सारी चीजें देखने जानने को मिलेंगी और हम भावनाओं के भंवर से होके गुजरने वाले हैं।
Faye. Faye. Faye!
Time is running out, my love. And there is much to do.
Father!
Brother?
Where's Atreus?
Hence my bellowing. He never came back from burying the wolf. It's been some time.
He cannot be far.
एड्रेस लौट के नहीं आया है. काफी वक्त बीत चुका है. उसने कहा था उस भेड़िए को दफना के वापस आ जाएगा, लेकिन वो वापस लौटा नहीं है. वो यहां नहीं आया तो गया कहां फिर?
You don't suppose he was training in the middle of the
हाँ मैं
night?
जानता हूँ यहाँ नहीं आया होगा, लेकिन एक बार मैं
Suggested as much.
देखना चाहता हूँ
Did
है
you?
क्या ये.
What on earth for?
He was grieving.
Oh, Kratos. I know you're trying.
ये निशान आगे जा रहे हैं.
Let's see. Tracks heading down to the frozen river. That's most likely where he did the burying.
Locked.
Aye.
मतलब वो यहाँ से बाहर नहीं गया है.
Fire's dwindling now. Where else could he have gone from here?
He crawled through here.
You seem troubled in your sleep, even for you. Nightmares?
I dream of the past. Almost every night.
Ah, the bad old days in Greece?
No. It feels like Faye's trying to tell me something.
You don't mean to say
शायद हो
you're
सकता है
talking
फे
to
हमसे
ghosts again,
हमसे
brother?
बात करना चाहती हो. किस तरह से
But
मुझे
it
पता
is
नहीं, लेकिन
something more than memory.
शायद वो कुछ बताना चाहती हो.
Use your words, brother.
The tracks stop here.
And we're not alone. Behind you, brother! Left side, brother! More right!
जबरदस्त.
Behind you, watch out!
डर मत, आजा.
Behind you! Incoming! On your right!
नाइस वन बेबी.
Left flank! One more to go! Blasted raiders!
They should not be this close.
We should check on the protection stave. There's a tree up ahead, yeah? Well,
You were right. The stave is broken.
तभी ये एनिमीज यहाँ हमला
explains
कर
our
रहे हैं.
trespassers. What happened here?
A bear. Mauled.
By what?
A larger bear. Wounded. The fight destroyed the tree. We must find Atreus.
Aye. Between the savage beasts and marauding raiders, he may have sought shelter. Follow the trail. We'll find him.
इसका मतलब यहाँ दो भालू में लड़ाई हुई है और ये बड़े वाले ने इसे घायल किया है और शायद इनकी लड़ाई के बाद वो प्रोटेक्शन स्टेव टूट गया है।
We need a way around.
अब इस लड़ाई में एट्रियस किस तरह शामिल था वो
Aha!
आगे मालूम चलेगा।
Trail's on the other side of that gap, if you can clear the way. Any idea what could have made the lad wander off?
We argued. He accuses me of hiding from Odin.
Only sensible to keep a low profile after killing 3 of his kin.
A reckoning will come. That is why Atreus must learn to survive on his own.
Oh, this is about that prophecy. Just because the giants had you dead on some wall full of otherwise accurate predictions.
I do not believe in prophecies.
Well,
पिछली कहानी में उस जायंट के वॉल पे हमने देखा था खुद को मौत की बाहों में और उसी के बारे में हम डिस्कस कर रहे हैं यहाँ पे मिमिर से। हम उस पर यकीन नहीं कर सकते पूरी तरह, बट जायंट ने अब तक जो कहा है वो सच होता आया है, सो पता नहीं क्या होगा आगे।
that's a lot of blood, brother.
We must find him.
हो सकता है वो घायल भालू इस तरह भागा हो, फिर एट्रेस उसके पीछे भागा हो।
And what do you believe about prophecy, Mimir?
I'm skeptical by nature, though we have seen things that defy explanation. So, speaking as the smartest man alive, I've no bloody idea.
Frost awaken, Frost of the क्या बात है,
Better drop this.
जबरदस्त।
Left side!
थोड़ा सा टाइम लगेगा चीजों को थोड़ा वापस आने में, उन प्रैक्टिस उन ट्रेनिंग्स को, लेकिन हाँ एक बार पकड़ लेंगे तो फिर छोड़ेंगे नहीं। Come on now.
Raider on the left!
Die, Baba.
All right, where's that trail gone?
शायद एट्रियस की फाइट हुई है इन एनिमीज से, लेकिन अब एग्जैक्ट क्या हुआ वो एट्रियस ही बता पाएगा।
Behind you! Look out!
Too many for a scouting party. They must have a camp nearby.
I know what you're thinking, brother. But Atreus can handle himself. You've taught him well.
So he keeps telling me.
भले इनका कैंप यहीं आसपास होगा, लेकिन ये अभी तक एंट्री नहीं कर पाए उसी प्रोटेक्शन स्टेव की वजह से। लेकिन अगर अब वो टूट चुका है, इसका मतलब ये हुआ कि जो चाहे यहाँ हमला कर सकता है हमारे घर के ऊपर।
torches, and the trail leads into that cave.
Cave?
Well, we know where we're going. I'm sure we can find a quiet way in. Or you could do that. Are these the raiders you rescued the wolves from?
No, they have not been here long.
Death from above. The sprint of a ledge once in the air. Press this. Okay.
Right side, brother!
अगर ये इनका कैंप है तो यहाँ पे और भी होंगे. सतर्क रहना होगा.
The trail goes through here. Leads deeper in.
There will be more.
Well, someone got in the bear's way. That one's got a sling. Look out, brother!
Good show!
Above you, fire!
वापस लेके जा. ये हमारा मर्दों वाला जंप जबरदस्त.
Atreus, are you here?
Huh. Well, that's for the best. Let's find a way out.
अभी रुक जाओ, ये शुरुआत है. मैं चाहता हूँ कि भी जितना हो सके एक्सप्लोर करके आगे बढ़े.
Perhaps Atreus came here seeking shelter. Kept moving when he saw the raiders, and the bear came barreling after. Impressive rampage, I'll give it that.
You think the bear was chasing Atreus?
Well, just as likely the bear was hurt and Atreus was chasing it to help. You know the lad.
वही मैं कह रहा था. जरूरी नहीं कि भालू ने उसके ऊपर अटैक किया हो. हो सकता है एट्रेस उसके पीछे भागा हो और
Atreus, where are you?
Oh shit!
Well, we found the bear, or he found us. Here it comes!
You are fast, but I'm faster, baby.
Oh, you've done it now, bear!
वेट मौका देख के मारना इसे, ऐसे नहीं, जल्दीबाजी में नहीं।
Oh, he seems angry. Hit him before he stops again. Grab him! He's looking shaky, brother!
अरे यार ये तो,
Atreus! Atreus!
लेकिन ये
Atreus! Atreus! Atreus!
What?
First, focus. Heal.
हमने अपने हाथों से इसे मार दिया होता अभी तक। क्या था ये?
What happened?
इसे कुछ भी याद नहीं है।
I prayed Fenrir. And then I'm not sure. I was so sad. And then I was angry. And scared. I remember running. There was a bear. Charging, and I charged back. That had to be a dream.
Your emotions. They transformed you.
I didn't know I could do that.
You did not do anything. They overcame you. That is why we must not abandon your training. We do not know the reach of your abilities. They will be dangerous without discipline to control them.
You've already taught me discipline. I need more than that. I need answers. Answers you don't have.
Answers only your mother had. Answers she withheld.
What if there was someone who could help us? Someone that could give us answers about the giants and who Loki's supposed to be.
Atreus.
Wouldn't it help to understand what I'm becoming?
Atreus! Listen to me. I might have killed you. Until you learn control, we will take no unnecessary risks.
Inaction is also a risk. You taught me that. Stop thinking like a father for a moment and start thinking like a general.
No! No. Collect yourself.
यानी अगर किसी भी फाइट के बाद हमारी हेल्थ बहुत ज्यादा डाउन हो गई है तो थोड़ी सी वो बढ़ जाएगी। चलो ये अच्छा है। तो मुझे यहाँ पे कुछ बातें समझ में आई है जो मैं आपसे डिस्कस करना चाहता हूँ अब।
So,
अभी पहला
going to
एपिसोड और
discuss
काफी
the
कुछ
boy
हमें
becoming a bear?
सो हाँ
Yeah.
जो आपने देखा वो
Are we?
सच था।
Not now. We need to repair the protection stave and get home.
What happened to the protection stave?
You did.
So you're blaming me?
I am not blaming you, Atreus.
Well, tell your voice that.
यूज दिस टू कमांड। हाँ जैसा कि मुझे तो पता ही नहीं है। थैंक यू बताने के लिए।
Say the word, Father.
वो कोई डैमेज ही नहीं है इसका मतलब। ये तो ये बहुत स्ट्रांग है फिर हम बहुत कमजोर है इस टाइम।
Watch the fire!
इस बार हमारी एक्सपी अलग अलग होंगी।
So, lad, besides your gift of language and hearing creatures' thoughts, are there any other new magical abilities to report?
Not really.
What of Fenrir?
What about him?
When he died, you cast a spell.
No, I didn't.
But I saw light.
I don't know what you're talking about.
Trick of Fimbulwinter, perhaps? Seen my share.
यार कभी मैंने आपसे डिस्कस नहीं किया पिछली सीरीज में गॉड ऑफ वॉर कुछ चीजें मुझे थोड़ी सी सही नहीं लगी। जैसे कि यहाँ पे जब चेस्ट हम ओपन करते हैं और सामने एक बताता है उस चेस्ट में क्या है, बार बार सेम चीज हो तो बार बार लिख के आता है और हम वहाँ फ्रीज हो जाते हैं जब तक वो हटेगा नहीं, हम आगे नहीं बढ़ पाते। और मुझे लगता है कि डेवलपर्स ने इस बात को समझा है और यहाँ पे वो चीज नहीं है। अच्छी बात है फिर ये
Oh, I recognize where we are now.
चीजें साइड में लिख के आ रही है और हम आगे मूव करते रहेंगे।
What's with all the blood?
Yours, Atreus.
Seriously?
That, or any prey you might have been dragging, I suppose.
Not sure that makes me feel any better.
अच्छा पिछले पार्ट में एक जगह हम जब बताते हैं एट्रियस को कि तुम भी गॉड हो तो वहां पे एक बात वैसे ही बोलता है बच्चा समझ के, जैसे भी कह लो आप, क्या मैं वुल्फ में बदल सकता हूँ, भेड़िए में, तो ऐसा कुछ बोलता है और हम हंस के वहां पर तो
This one.
शायद वो बातें सच थी कहीं ना कहीं, क्योंकि आपने भी जो देखा वो हम उसको झुठला नहीं सकते जो हुआ अभी।
Asya.
और वैसे भी जब एट्रियस की भावनाएं उफान मारती हैं तो हमने मौसम में भी परिवर्तन होते हुए देखा है। अब एट्रियस की शक्तियों का हद कहां तक है वो तो इस कहानी में मालूम चलेगा हमें।
I didn't mean to.
Intent does not matter. Only consequences.
परिणाम मायने रखते हैं, इरादे नहीं। गेम्स हमें कितना कुछ सिखाते हैं ना।
What can we do?
Nothing.
अगर आप सीखना चाहो तो
Nature will take its course.
वैसे एक बात कहना है, अगर आप पहली बार वॉच कर रहे हो, यहाँ पे हो, अच्छा लग रहा है, सब्सक्राइब करना मत भूलना। और आपने इतने सारे वीडियोस में ये वीडियो चूज किया, बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद। लव यू अलॉट। आगे बढ़ते हैं। और हाँ, जैसा भी जो भी आपके मन में हो कमेंट करके बताना मत भूलना,
Storms are
ठीक है?
coming.
Isn't it cold enough?
We are almost home. Incoming fire!
Come on, try harder.
lot of those guys.
It's been like this all night.
They must have been inside the stave when I fixed it.
वो पहले ही अंदर आ गए होंगे.
Hey, Svana, you're not scared. You're a brave
एड्रेस
girl.
उनकी भावनाओं को बहुत अच्छी तरह समझ पाता.
Brave girl. That's right.
He's good with them. No surprise, really.
ये उसकी बहुत सारी शक्तियों में से एक है.
Specky, you okay? Just a little thunder. That's a good girl. Good girl.
Atreus!
I'm just checking on...
To bed!
Yes, sir.
As evenings go, that was entirely too eventful. Though I admit it was a bit like old times there, for a moment. The three of us navigating some hitherto unhappened upon patch of forest.
Been a while since you've joined us. If that's what you mean.
Ah, well, just tired, I suppose. You've seen one deer hunt, you've seen them all.
How can you feel tired when you never sleep?
There are other kinds of tired, lad. You'll see when you're older. Now have a proper rest, my brothers. Things are always brighter in the morning.
What was that?
The ball!
Oh my god! Oh my god! हमें पता है ये कौन है.
Can I come in? I have mead. You would not find me good company. No. I'm sure we'll find lots to talk about.
Man, he's big. But we have killed bigger in the past, right? हमने बहुत भारी भरकम शरीर वाले शैतानों को गिराया, लेकिन कोई शैतान नहीं है. He's God and he's powerful. Thor from Asgard, जहां हम पिछली कहानी में नहीं जा सकते थे.
You could have told me before I poured. Why are you here? Just, being polite. You seem like a
calm and reasonable person. Are you? A calm and reasonable person.
If the moment calls for calm.
I'd say the moment calls for calm. Yeah.
अब ये कौन है? ओडिन, ये ओडिन है।
You know who I am?
Damn, he's Odin.
Back before winter set in, there were some misunderstandings. Regrettable ones. But I think we all have a better idea of who we're dealing with. Now, what you did to his boys. Self-defense. Dying is what we Aesir live for. And let's be honest, they were kinda useless. But Baldur, he had value. He was my best tracker, my closer. Yeah, his mind was gone, sure. But he had his uses, and now he's gone because of you. You follow me? You have a debt. You're no fun anymore.
What do you want?
How about peace?
हमने जिसके बेटे को मारा, जिसके पोते को मारा, वो पीस की बात करने आया
How
है।
does peace
Seriously.
strike the esteemed, retired god of war? How about we just don't kill each other? How about you stay home, kick up your feet, seek no quarrel with me, and I'll have none with you. Of course, it means that one has to stop his search for Tyr.
तीर तो वो तो एट्रियस ये छुपा रहा था हमसे।
We know what you've been up to. Stop it.
Tyr's old ways are dead. He is dead. You understand? And then that's it. Then we're square. Shit, I'll even sweeten the deal. I'll let you keep the prisoner that I know you stole. That's right. I know you're in here somewhere, you silver-tongued little shit.
Why should we believe a word of you? What have your promises ever been worth?
There he is, my old partner in crime.
He's lost weight.
If he tells you snow is white, he's lying.
What kind of wisdom is that? Can't the smartest head alive see past himself? See that we all want the same thing? All right. Here's a deal I know you can trust. I'll settle your debt with my ex. Keep Freya off your back. Keep your boy safe. That's really all you want, isn't it? So what do you say?
हम तुम्हें परेशान नहीं करेंगे, कोई तुम्हें परेशान नहीं करेगा। बस एट्रियस टियर की खोज छोड़ दे।
No.
Oh yes.
Don't take all day.
About time.
I've been waiting for this. You're not from here. We got a tradition called blood payments. It means I get a piece of you for what you took from my family. You'll pick it up.
मेरी कुल्हाड़ी मेरे पास नहीं है।
You insult me holding back like this. I did not seek that fight with your brother. I don't care. That's all? You were finally showing me. You know my past? The ghost of Sparta thing? Yeah. Then you know what I'm capable of. Show me! Now we got it to fight! Was hoping to see your blades. Guess they don't come when you call. How were you ever a god of war? You should be better than this! Get up and hit me like a... You're fucking hopeless! You spit on my son's memory! I can't believe they lost to you! Let me see the monster inside! Afraid to get your hands dirty? Stop holding back! That's for madness! Sorry about your statue, Tyr, you preachy old stiff. If you're not fighting dirty, you're not fighting, right? Your son struck first! Good! This is the god that murdered a pantheon because they hurt his feelings? Was it luck? Did my son die to blind fucking luck? Dumbass! You think you can come here, become a daddy, get a clean slate? That ain't how it works. You're a destroyer, like me.
ओ नहीं, ये किस,
Oh no.
ये कैसे?
I say when we're done. I'm not leaving till I see the real.
इतनी आसानी से मार सकता है
Get
मुझे?
up! No way my boys fell to this. Show me who.
संभाल के बॉय, संभाल के।
This is the Thorin god that bested Baldur? This is the man who faced down queen.
इसे स्टन करना होगा।
This is for Modi! You put him last, even in death. The fuck you say? Modi sought us in fear of you. He died of the wounds you gave him. Oh, we got a model father here. This feels familiar. What? Don't matter. I can give a hot shit about your fatherly advice. I want to see the god of war. You started this. I will end it. Now we're talking. Where's the love of the fight? Let the god of war out! Let me see him! Clever! Clever won't beat me! You will join your sons! Who are you? Show me! Show me the killer of I see why my sons fell to you. Even this lesser version of you. But I am not my sons. And your boy, Allfather, have plans for him.
जबरदस्त पंच।
There he is. There's the god of war. Consider your blood debt paid. Be seeing ya.
उसने क्या बोला? ऑर्डन कुछ चाहता है एड्रेस से। हमें एड्रेस के पास लौटना होगा।
Told you he'd make it.
Kratos, it's Sindri and Brock. That was quite a fight. Can we?
Oh,
Brock and
now!
Sindri.
Odin is with Atreus.
Oh no. I'll go get a gateway ready.
Come on then. Ain't a long walk. Well, good to see you making new friends. Ain't that Mjolnir pack a punch? You know we made that hammer, right?
You have mentioned it.
I know that. Wasn't ever sure you were listening. At least it was good to see the axe hold their own. That's the point, Abby.
All set. This'll get you home.
Hey, one last thing there, Tiny. If you got Aesir at your door, then I reckon your protection stave's busted. Once you chase Odin off, you got another place to lay your head tonight? And I don't mean that talking, fella.
I will not abandon my home.
Oh, yeah? And what's to stop the all-fucker from spying on you? Or Raven pecking your house to splinters while you're asleep in it? Nothing, that's what. You go get your boy, and I'll speak to a certain someone about putting you up at his place in a pinch.
सही बोला ब्रॉक ने, हमारा प्रोटेक्शन स्टेप टूट चुका, अब कोई भी कभी भी हमारे ऊपर हमला कर सकता है, हम अपने घर में सुरक्षित नहीं हैं। और ये डॉफ्स दो आयामों के बीच में सफर कर सकते हैं, तो शायद ये बताएंगे हमें किसी सेफ लोकेशन के बारे में, सेफ जगह के बारे में जहां हम जाकर रहने वाले हैं फिलहाल। एट्रियस ऑर्डिन के साथ था जब हमने आखिरी बार उसको देखा था। थोर ने बोला ऑर्डिन के पास कुछ। ओह थैंक गॉड ही इज सेफ।
I was about to look for you.
Are you hurt?
Are you?
Are you?
What does he want?
To, pay for the roof. And he invited me to Asgard.
मैंने बोला ना वो कुछ एट्रियस से अपना एजेंडा पूरा करना चाहता है।
outside.
I told him no. Obviously.
एट्रियस यानी कि लोकी यानी कि एसगार्ड में कुछ।
Why were you searching for Tyr?
If I told you I was looking for him, you would have said not to.
So you hid the truth from me.
I wanted to tell you. I really did, but now that you know, there's something you should see.
No.
Just trust me, you'll want to.
Trust! You have broken my trust.
Then let me regain it. Let me show you what I found. Besides, we haven't seen the last of Odin. Or Thor. And clearly they can just walk in and blast holes in our home whenever they want. There's only one way to get them off our backs. And I think I know how. Sir.
एट्रियस कुछ जानता है जो हमें दिखाना चाहता है वो, और हम उसकी खोज में जाएंगे, राइट?
Sylvie. Gather your things.
ये जर्नी बहुत खतरनाक होने वाली है बॉयज, गेट रेडी। डिफेंस एंड स्ट्रेंथ, ये ठीक है, इसको लेते हैं। ब्यूटीफुल लेवाइथन है, बढ़िया।
Are you ready? Go.
And keep the change, you bastard!
चलिए देखते हैं एट्रेस क्या दिखाना चाहता है हमें.
Where are we going?
The old temple in the Wildwoods.
Why?
It'll be easier to explain once we're there.
Did Odin say anything else while you were outside?
Yeah. He said he doesn't care about Jotunheim anymore. That the Giants can keep their secrets. He's averted Ragnarok his own way. You think he knows all the Giants are dead?
I'm more concerned that it no longer matters to us.
इस बार मतलब सिर्फ जगह को नहीं बल्कि अपने हथियारों को भी और बारीकी से जानने वाले
So
हैं.
close to home.
Our raiders warring with one another now.
Those are not their arrows. Something else is out here.
More over here. And fresh. Did they all get in while the state was down?
That, or Odin cocked up the protection spell altogether.
Almost to the bridge. Oh, guess the bridge gave out. Gonna need another path to the temple.
Why would you come out this way alone, lad?
I had dreams. Calling me.
कितनी अजीब बात है ना कि सब कुछ हमारे इस फर्स्ट पार्ट में होते हुए भी ऐसा लग रहा है कि हम यहाँ पे कभी आए ही
Still
नहीं हैं.
alive.
वही सेम कितनी कितनी खूबसूरत बात है ये.
Hell Raiders now? Who's doing this?
Suppose it's too much to hope that an enemy of theirs would be a friend of ours.
एक सेकंड रुकना जरा.
You see something down there?
पता नहीं बट देख के आते हैं. यानी कि कहीं भी क्लाइंब करते हो जैसे एट्रेस हमारे पीठ पे चिपक जाता था वो अब नहीं होने वाला है वो. अमेजिंग.
Hold.
Whoa! Bloody hell, brother! What was that?
Something strong and dangerous. Be on guard.
Oh yeah, being all the way on guard.
अब ये मैप इतना खतरनाक लग रहा है. पिछले पार्ट का तो एक एक चीज हमें याद हो गया था बट यहाँ तो ऐसा लग रहा है कभी आए ही नहीं है और सब कुछ बिल्कुल नया है.
There's the temple now. Just need to find a way around.
When did this bridge collapse?
Oh, a while ago. Wasn't me. Remember when I said there was someone who might help us get answers about the Giants and Loki?
You mean Tyr, the old god of war in these lands, who is dead.
Well, for a dead man, Odin seemed pretty keen on seeing he wasn't found.
Right? He knows Tyr could unite the realms against him. Plus, Tyr was the Giants' greatest ally. So...
Enough.
पिछली कहानी के हिसाब से टियर मर चुका है लेकिन जिस तरह से ओडिन ने टियर के बारे में बात की और एट्रेस उसे खोज रहा है लगता नहीं है कि मुझे लग रहा है कि वो जिंदा है बट कहीं उसको मतलब कैद कर रखा गया है. अब ओडिन ने किस डर से उसको कैद किया ये तो वही बताएगा. स्किल्टी हाँ ये दिखाओ यार. हमारी एक्सपी सब अलग अलग यूज होंगी. बढ़िया. ये अच्छा है। ये ट्राई कर सकते हैं। मैं लगातार खेलूंगा, लगातार रिकॉर्ड करूंगा, तो किसी पार्ट में इंट्रो आउट्रो जो भी मतलब नहीं कर पाऊं तो समझ जाना कि हाँ वो लगातार चल रही सीरीज। ठीक है, चलिए।
That pillar wasn't in the way last time I came. Like I was saying, Tyr was an ally to the Giants, so he'd be on our side if we find him. And if anyone might know who I'm supposed to be, it's him. If he's out there, we gotta find him. How can we not?
Those are many ifs, Atreus. What do you know?
You'll see soon.
गाइस एक बात कहनी है, अगर आप कमेंट में दमदार लिख रहे हो तो ये पार्ट अभी आप देख रहे हो दोपहर में 3 साढ़े 3 बजे के आसपास, आपको एक एपिसोड और मिलेगा रात में। तो कमेंट में दमदार लिखना मत भूलना अगर आप एक एपिसोड और वॉच करना चाहते हो तो।
What do you think?
Can't imagine what the lad's found, but he says he has evidence.
अभी लोकेशंस को बहुत ढंग से समझना होगा, तब जाके चीजों को और एक्सप्लोर कर पाएंगे और हम जो यहाँ पे आर्टिफैक्ट है बाकी चीजें उसको कलेक्ट कर पाएंगे।
Too late.
Father, use your blades. Burn them.
Get ready, boy.
Right side, incoming. Behind you, incoming.
What now?
Incoming fire up above. Gotcha.
अपने पास रख। हमने उस सीरीज में तो पूरी महारत हासिल कर रखी है स्किल्स पॉइंट और बाकी चीजों में, लेकिन यहाँ पे हम बिल्कुल मतलब शुरुआत कर रहे हैं तो हमारे पास कोई स्किल ऐसा कुछ नहीं है खतरनाक लड़ने के लिए। तो इसके लिए बहुत बहुत जितना और वैसे भी अगर मैं होते भी तो भी मैं एक्सप्लोर छोड़ता नहीं। आपको पता मैं कैसे खेलता हूँ, इसलिए बोला मैंने कि धैर्य बना के देखना, पेशेंस होना चाहिए मेरे एपिसोड्स आपको वॉच करने के लिए। तो बहुत आराम से मोहब्बत से वॉच करना, जल्दीबाजी में नहीं, मोहब्बत से आराम से खेलूंगा, बट कुछ छोड़ूंगा नहीं, धमाकेदार तरीके से खेलेंगे, आगे बढ़ेंगे।
Isn't it nice how Fimbulwinter wore down all the helpful magic we acquired? Yet somehow new terrors only flourish. As if on cue.
Kill Winterman.
हमारे अलावा कोई और भी है यहाँ पे जो इनको मार रहा है, उसे भी खोजना होगा। मिस्ट्री मैन।
On it.
Ah, he has gotten rather good at that. Yet another grisly scene.
Nisa!
I've seen my share of bloodshed, but this is an awful lot for one more. Brother!
यही था वो जिसके बारे में बात हो रही थी। ये वही था। ये थी। Oh man, यहाँ भी?
A stalker! On your guard, brother! I think we found our predator. Your shield's busted, brother. Just keep your feet moving, yeah?
मेरा शील्ड काम नहीं कर रहा।
Its horns are glowing! Might be a weak point!
इसका हॉर्न चमक रहा है। ये हुई ना मर्द वाली बात।
I just bloody teared it. Fimbulwinter Freya, the Raiders, Stornodens barging in, and now Stalkers preying on
एनिमीज
our woods.
बहुत अलग-अलग तरह के आ रहे हैं
Safe haven
और
anymore.
खतरनाक होते जा रहे हैं। चलो कुछ तो नया मिला। ये चलो अच्छी बात है।
Father, the shield Mom gave you.
Thor damaged it.
हाँ, थोर से फाइट के
Perhaps
वक्त
the
डैमेज हो
dwarves
गया
could
था, फिर अब
take a
पूरी
look.
तरह काम करना बंद कर चुका है।
Perhaps. Later.
Come on, we can get in this way.
Why are we here, Atreus?
Okay. You remember all those shrines we found, telling the stories of giants? How the panel on the left would be their origin, and the panel on the right would be their fate?
Yes. You found many. I have seen them.
Well, there's more to them than we realize. Well, the collapsed pillar is new, but the shrine is just on the other side.
इस बार तो फिर पजल्स भी खतरनाक होंगे क्योंकि ब्लेड और एक्स दोनों इस्तेमाल करेंगे स्टार्टिंग
That
से।
need help. There we go. Come on.
अब देखते हैं एड्रेस क्या दिखाना चाहता है।
You watching?
Well, that's new.
Come on.
Atreus, wait!
Yeah, I don't think he's waiting.
मैं वीडियोस लाने में कोई कंजूसी नहीं करूंगा, आप लाइक ठोकने में कंजूसी मत करना अगर आपको वीडियो अच्छी लग रही हो तो।
What is this, lad? Where are we?
Somewhere only giants were meant to see. These shrines tell their stories to the world. But it turns out the real stories, the secret stories, those they kept here, inside. You remember the story of Skull and Hati? The wolf giants? Odin captured them because he thinks it'll help him control when Ragnarok starts.
I remember.
But that's not the whole story. See, this shows the giants setting Skull and Hati free.
They're free. Is this the past or the future?
Depends when you're looking at it.
Spoken like a giant.
See? The wolves are safe. Somewhere in Vanaheim.
Not the first place Odin would look, I suppose.
There they are, chasing the sun and moon.
Old habits.
Until, look, the moon gets stolen. Somehow.
Atreus.
See? Hati's got nothing to chase.
And they say celestial theft is a victimless crime.
Not totally sure who this is, but someone comes along and rescues the moon. And then, the moon blocks out the sun.
A total eclipse. Haven't seen one of those in 100 winters.
But then they chase an arrow, and things go back to normal.
What does any of this have to do with...
We're coming to that. Look, here's Ragnarok. Do you see who's leading the armies against Odin? That's Tyr. If he's gonna be around at Ragnarok, that means he's gotta be alive. Right?
Mimir, can this be?
Odin told me he killed Tyr, and he trusted me at the time, or so I thought.
What if he didn't kill him? What if he's just had him locked up somewhere all this time?
We are back to ifs. Enough.
Wait,
We are going home.
wait! I have one more thing to show you. It's just out here.
यार इसका मतलब ये हुआ कि टियर जिंदा है और शायद ओडिन ने इस डर से उसे कहीं छुपा के रखा हुआ है या फिर बंदी बना के कह सकते हैं। और जो कहानी थी भेड़ियों की, जो ये रैग्नारॉक कंट्रोल करने की, जहाँ पे ओडिन को लगा था उनको मैं पकड़ के रखूंगा और रैग्नारॉक मेरे कंट्रोल में होगा, एक्चुअली में वो फ्री हैं और किसी और वो आयाम जहाँ पे हम जा नहीं